Welcome to our YouTube channel MBBS Guide. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel for new upcoming topics. Today our topic is neurons. Nerve cell. Neuron nerve cell is the structural and functional unit of nervous system. Neuron is similar to any other cell in the body, having nucleus and all organelles in the cytoplasm. However, it is different from other cells by two ways. Neurons have branches or processes called axon and dendrites. Neuron does not have centrosome, so it cannot undergo division. Classifications of neurons. Neurons are classified by three ways depending on the number of poles, depending upon the function of the neuron, depending upon the length of the axon. Depending upon the number of poles, unipolar, bipolar, multipolar. Unipolar neuron are neurons that have only one pole. From a single pole, both axon and dendrites arise. Present only in embryonic stage in human being. Bipolar neuron. Neurons with two poles are known as bipolar neuron. Axons arises from one pole and dendrites arise from other. Multipolar are neurons which have many poles. One of the pole give rise axon and all other poles give rise dendrites. In this diagram, see this unipolar have one pole, bipolar have two poles, and multipolar has multipoles. As discussed previously, unipolar neuron from a single pole, both axon and dendrites arise, and it's present only in embryonic stage. Second one is bipolar neuron. Bipolar neuron have two poles. Axon arise from one and dendrites arise from other pole. Now third one is multipolar. Multipolar have multipoles. First pole give rise to the axon and others give rise to the dendrites. Depending upon the function, first one is motor or efferent neuron. Motor or efferent neurons are the neurons which carry the motor impulse from the central nervous system to the peripheral effector organ like muscles, glands, blood, vessels, etc. Generally, each motor neurons has a long axon and short dendrites. Second one is sensory or efferent neurons. Sensory or efferent neurons are the neurons which carry the sensory impulse from periphery to the central nervous system. Generally, each sensory neuron has a short axon and long dendrites. It's depends. Sensory versus motor neuron. Sensory neurons that carry sensory impulse from sensory organs to the central nervous system are known as sensory neurons. You can see in picture also, you will more clear. Other is motor neurons. Neurons that carry motor impulse from the central nervous system to specific effectors is known as motor neurons. You can see also in the upper side in the pic. Depending upon length of the axon. 1. Golgi type 1. Golgi type 1 neuron has a long axon. Cell body of these neurons is in different part of central nervous system and their axon reach the remote peripheral organ. Number 2. Golgi type 2. Neuron of this type is short axons. These neurons are present in cerebral cortex and spinal cord. Depending upon the length of the axon, it is all about. Golgi classification. Golgi type 1 large neurons without brain region. Number 2. Golgi type 2 small local circuit neurons. Now structure of neurons. 1. The nerve cell body. 2. Axon. 3. Dendrites. Cell body soma, axon, dendrites. You can classify, you can see in this figure. Number 1. Nerve cell body. The nerve cell body, also known as soma, it is an irregular in shape. It is constituted by a mass of cytoplasm called neuroplasm, which is covered by a cell membrane. The cytoplasm contains nucleus, nasal bodies, neurofibrils, mitochondria and Golgi apparatus. Nucleus. Each neuron have one nucleus which is centrally placed in the nerve cell body. Nucleus has one or two prominent nuclei. Nucleus does not contain centrosome, so the nerve cell cannot be multiplied like other cells. nerve cell. Body of cell, in center nucleus, in lower side these are the dendrites. Nucleus body. Nucleus body are small basophilic granules found in cytoplasm of neurons. These body are present in soma and dendrites, but not in axon and axon hillock. Dendrites are distinguished from axons by the presence of nucleus body on microscope. Nucleus body are membranous organelles, contains ribosomes, so they are concerned with formation of protein in the neurons. During fatigue or injury of neurons, these body fragments and disappears by a process called chromatolysis. Neurofibrils. Neurofibrils are thread-like structures present in the form of the network in the soma and the nerve processes. The neurofibrils consist of the microfilament and microtubules. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are present in soma and axon. Mitochondria form the powerhouse of the nerve cell where ATP is produced. Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is similar to the other cells of the body. Axon. An axon carries information away from the cell body to the dendrites of a neighboring neuron. Axons have smooth surfaces and no spines like dendrites have. See in the figure. Dendrites. A dendrites is a structure of the neuron that brings information to the cell from another neurons. It has a rough surface with little bumps called dendrites spine that increase the surface area of dendrites so that it can receive more information from the neighboring neuron. Thanks for watching. You must subscribe our channel and like this video for new upcoming topics.